Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about money bill. The provisions of the money bill are present under Article 110 of the Constitution. A bill is considered as a money bill if it satisfies either one or all of the below conditions. That is, if the bill deals with the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax, or the regulation of the borrowing of the money or giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. For example, if a state wants to borrow money from the World Bank on the guarantee of the Government of India, then the respective bill is considered as a money bill. And also, the custody of the consolidated or the contingency fund of India, the payment or withdrawal of the money from any such fund. Please note that Article 266 deals with the Consolidated Fund of India and Article 267 deals with the Contingency Fund of India. Consolidated Fund of India is a constitutional fund, that is, the Constitution explicitly provides for its provision, while the Contingency Fund of India is a statutory fund, that is, it is only implied in the Constitution and a separate law has to be made by the Parliament to create this contingency fund. The money bill also deals with the appropriation of money out of the Consolidated Fund of India. If a bill declaring any expenditure to be charged on the Consolidated Fund of India, then also it is considered as a money bill. Here, charged on means that it is non-votable. That is, the Parliament does not vote on the provisions which are declared as charged on expenditures. For example, salaries and allowances of the President, Vice President, members and chairperson of the UPSC, Chief Justice of India and the judges of the Supreme Court, etc. Whether a bill is considered as a money bill or not, it is decided by the Speaker and his decision is final. Article 109 states that the money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha or the Council of States. When a money bill is transmitted from Lok Sabha to Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha has 14 days to discuss upon that. It can only recommend changes and cannot amend it. If the Rajya Sabha does not act on the bill for 14 days or if it consumes more than 14 days on the bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses of the Parliament and is sent to the President for his assent. Now let us solve this question. Pause the video and solve for this question. Regarding the money bill, which of the following statements are not correct? A bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions related to imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax. A money bill has provisions for the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund. A money bill is concerned with appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India. A money bill deals with the regulation of borrowings of money or giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. The correct answer is C. As we have discussed, the money bill deals only with the appropriation of the Consolidated Fund of India and not with the Contingency Fund of India. Please remember that appropriation in the Contingency Fund of India will be made by the President through an executive action. For more such videos on basic concepts, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.